Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial. Today we are going to take a look on Azure service that is Key Vault. So before understanding the Key Vault, let's understand a scenario. So let's say for in every organization, if you want to access any sort of resources or anything, correct. So for that, what you have something called the user ID and its corresponding password. Let's say if there's some other person, like there's a person and there's a B person, and if the A person wants to share his information to B, and if he directly provides the ID and password to the B user, so this is totally a violation of security, a security breach, or even you can say privacy as well. So just to avoid that, Microsoft has provided a service that is called Azure Key Vault, so which actually do not directly expose your credential to the next user. So what it do, there's a concept called secrets. So by the help of Azure Key Vault, you are going to generate the secrets, then you share these secrets to user B. So now user B can also access the resources by using these secrets. So anytime, let's say, if you think that now you should revoke the access from the user B, so you can directly change the access policy in your secrets, and the user B will lost its access from that particular resource. So that's why this even without changing the actual ID and the password, you are even able to share the resources to the user B, and even if in case you want to revoke the access, you can also do the same. So that's why this particular service is very useful. One more thing, this is a place where your all sensitive information is kept. For example, what are your sensitive information? Your user ID, your password, and your few application IDs, secrets, etc., etc. So all this information are kept in your Azure Key Vault, so that's why it is highly secureable. And here also your uh, credential are kept in the encrypted form, and there's a high amount of encryption is done. So that's why you get assurance from Azure that your credential are safer with us. So now let's see, so even if you are developing any application, so there also you need the ID and password to access few resources. So if in your application you are directly hard coding your ID and password or your sensitive information related to your organization or resources, so this is also not a good application, and there also you have the security breach. Okay, so that's why hard coding credential in any application put that application into the compromise, and even it is the management become difficult for that. So that's why Azure Key Vault provide you a safer method by which they hide the credential, such as secrets, key, and certificates. Azure Key Vault even enables you to securely store your tokens, passwords, certificates, cryptographic key, APIs, connection, and etc. So here also the similar information is written, and now I want to divert your attention here. So this Azure Key Vault, this is a secure way to share your secrets and password to the application and even to other resources which are outside of your organization. So many times there's organization A, they want to connect to organization B for some demo purpose or something like that. So in that case also this Azure Key Vault is also helpful for at that time. You can define the access policy. So even if you are sharing your secrets, there also you have multiple options, like what level of what I would say, what level of access they want to provide. Even that can also be controlled. And one more thing is that this Azure Key Vault is a platform as a service. So yeah, it's a highly available service. So even Microsoft even do not contain the secrets and all this information. And just to elaborate few more how it is going to do, so it uses a mechanism that is called HSM, that is hardware security module. So here, whatever you are storing that even Azure cannot see. And apart from this, this is also a highly global scaling solution. So which simply means that it results in very high performance for us. With the help of Azure Key Vault, you can even generate your own certificates and you can use that in your application. And the last thing which I would focus is that it's totally up to you, like what level of access you want to provide to a user. So just to recap, what we have seen here is that this Azure Key Vault is a highly platform as a service solution that that is useful to safely and hide your credential from the outside world, and you can generate the keys, secrets, certificates from that, and it is a centralized application where you are storing all your sensitive information. Even Microsoft cannot see your sensitive information because it is used under HSM module, and this particular service is very can be easily integrated with their other service like the web application, Azure apps, storage account. Yeah, even there are multiple service by which from where you can basically connect to this Azure Key Vault. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.